to explain about Introduction to Variables in Java. We'll talk about variables, memory, declaration, assignment, initialization, and printing the value of a variable. Let's get started. What is a variable? A variable is used to store values in a computer's memory. So our computer has a memory, and to store values in this memory, we need to reserve some space, and this from using a variable. Also, each variable has a specific type. It is called as a variable because the value inside it can be changed. Now let us have a look at the computer's memory. You can imagine that a variable is like a box in the computer's memory. So look at this table over here. Consider that this table is a memory of our computer. In this table, there is a box with some data called 5.7. Even we can see a string hello and also a number 23. These three are variables. They are containers in our memory where we can store some data. Each variable has an address. Here, 100 is the address of 5.7, 150 is the address of hello, 23 is the address of 200. Each variable has a unique address in the memory, and this address specifies where the variable is located. Now let's talk about declaration. So what is declaration? It's basically allocating some space inside our memory. As I said before, to store some data into the memory, we have to reserve some space, and this is called allocation. So to allocate some space in our memory, we declare a variable. The syntax will be type of the variable, then space, then the name of the variable and the semicolon. The type of the variable should be compatible with the data inside it. So to store a string inside a variable, the variable's type should also be a string. I have declared a variable called myname and its type string. So my name is a variable and I am able to store a string inside it. So we are declaring a variable called myname and can store a string. Now what if we want to declare multiple variables of the same type? Then we can write as first the type of the variable, then the first name, second name of the variable with the semicolon. Example, I am declaring a type string. First variable is my name, second variable is my job. My name and my job are two variables that can store a string. Note that a variable must be declared before it can be used. So we cannot use a variable without declaring it. Next we'll talk about assignment. Assignment is used to store or put a value inside a variable. So we can assign a value to a variable by using the assignment operator equal to. Syntax will be variable name equal to expression. Example, we are saying that the variable that is called my job will be equal to the programmer. String programmer will be stored inside my job variable. What is expression? An expression is anything that produces a value. For example, 1 plus 3 is an expression, and also 4 multiplied by 2 is an expression. Next we'll talk about initialization. It's basically assigning a value to a variable when declaring it. Example, I have declared a variable my job of type string, and immediately I am assigning the variable equal to the string programmer. This example is equal to the following. First of all, we are declaring the variable my job of type string, and after that we are assigning the variable equal to the string. Next, let's see how we are printing the value of a variable. In this code, we have a main class, and inside that we have a main method. In the first statement, we are initializing the variable called my job. It is of type string and we are assigning which is equal to the string programmer. After this statement is executed, we'll have a box inside our computer's memory that contains the value programmer. The name of this box will be my job. So in order to print the value of my job, we are calling the method println and giving the name of the variable parameter as a parameter. In order to use variables, we have to declare them. So it is important to declare a variable before we are printing it. The println is going to print the value of my job, which is in this case string programmer. Output will be programmer. With this, we come to the end of this video. Thank you.